Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Viewers, welcome to Digital Marketing Master YouTube channel. And today I was going to start with Google Ads because in the previous video I promised that I'm going to give you a couple of videos on Google Ads. But I have not found much of public interest on that, so I have pended that, and I will see in future if you people need that then I can start that. So today I have received a couple of requests for article writing. So I thought to start with the article writing videos. So viewers, today I am going to teach you some techniques of article writing, and with this technique you will easily be able to write good articles, and you can do freelance jobs while sitting at your home. So viewers, in this video I will let you know how to write a blog or an article. This is a super technique, and even if you're not an experienced blog writer, still you will be able to produce a super article just like a professional. Viewers, I can assure you that it is easiest technique, and especially if English is not your first language, even then in a minute you are going to make an outline for your blog, just like an experienced blog writer. So viewers, at the end of this video, I am going to give you a bonus tip which will further enhance your capability of writing an article. So you are requested to watch this video till end. Viewers, let me clarify that I am not going to teach you English here, and do not think that in a matter of minutes you are going to be a master of English, which is obviously not humanly possible. But rest assured that I am going to take you to a tool which will definitely enhance your writing capabilities, and you could be able to write just like a professional. And with the help of this tool, you will be able to overcome many of your shortcomings and will convert your shortcomings into your writing skills. That is for sure. But please make sure that do not be 100% dependent upon this tool, and use your intelligence and ingenuity of your mind also. Only then you will be able to meet your goals. Please note that it is a helping tool and will not auto-generate any article for you. So please do a bit of your own research also. Still, your 70% outline will be generated by this tool, and rest of the 30% you will have to put in your own efforts to make it an eye-catching and unique blog. So that it is picked up by Google crawlers and as a unique content. And please don't worry, I will also tell you technique to make it unique. And if you follow that technique, then your complete article will be read as a unique article, which should be good for SEO purpose also. So viewers, let's go to this tool now, and it is called inkforall.com. So viewers, we go to Google and type there inkforall.com. Continue. So viewers, we have now logged in, and we will straight away go to AI tools. You'll have to scroll down, and this is the blog outline generator. This is what we require. This is a blog headline we will have to write, and a brief concept. So today I'm going to write an article on NFTs. So I will write here, what are NFTs and how do they work. And in this brief concept I have to write few lines about NFTs. I'm already keeping it in words, so I'll copy them and I'll paste it here. So AI write means artificial intelligence write up. So now once I click here, it will generate some results. You can see some results here, viewers. So viewers, the results are: what are NFTs, how do they work, what are the advantages of buying NFTs, how do one sell NFTs, how to buy and sell NFTs, and it says conclusion, and there are more results here. So viewers, this is all artificially generated because it says artificial intelligence. So they are artificially generated results. So as a human, you have to use your own intelligence to pick them with sequence and place them as per priority you think is right. So viewers, if you go from all the results, they may be relevant or irrelevant results. So you make sure that out of first few lines, with the help of these few results, you can write an article, so you copy them. So just save them. With these 5 results, I think that I can complete my article. So viewers, now I have all the important outline structure. So we now move to another section which is called blog intro paragraph. We again go to tools. So here is blog intro paragraph generator, and whatever results I had saved here, so for example, what are NFTs, I will just copy it and I will put it in a blog headline. So to make it 35, I've added a bit of a more text, so I'll just find the result for this. So viewers, this is related to whatever I wanted. You have to read it, and as a human, you should make sure that whatever you are searching, the results are going with that. So if I think that this paragraph meets my requirement, so I will copy it and I will just paste it here. Likewise, viewers, one by one, I will keep taking these results, copying them and pasting them there in a blog headline, and I'll keep fetching the given results. So viewers, after repeating this process, finally I have been able to make this article of my NFTs. So viewers, all the information you have pasted here is from internet, and it is not a unique article. So as I told you in the beginning that I'll be giving you some bonus tip. So for that bonus tip, I will have to take you to an other website, and there I will tell you that how could we convert this article into unique article. So viewers, we will have to spin the words of this article, so our SEO score or readability score or plagiarism that is not affected. So viewers, for the purpose of spinning, I normally use Chimp Rewriter or Spinbot. These are the two websites which can solve your purpose, and I have to keep its plagiarism score to the minimum so our SEO is not affected. And the person who has asked you to write this article, he will not accept your article if its plagiarism is 70 or 80%, or its SEO score or the readability score is not right. So you will have to go through this exercise, and you will have to spin all the words of this article for that purpose. So viewers, for this purpose we will go to spinbot.com, and before that I will just copy all this. Now we visit spinbot.com, and here we are on spinbot.com, and it says paste text here. So overall the article, so all our article is pasted here, and I just have to click on this arrow, and it says spin it. Okay viewers, so it has changed some of the wordings, because it is a different words to say the same thing. That is what the article's spinning or rewriting means. So you can copy this, and still viewers, I will advise you to double and triple check it, and make sure that there is no mistake in it and it has been done properly. And that's it basically viewers. This is how you should do it. And there are other websites also, as I mentioned, that Chimp Rewriter is also a good website which can spin your articles, and most of them are paid ones, but for free you can use spinbot.com, and Chimp Rewriter you can use for about 15 days free of charge, and after that you have to subscribe. So viewers, that's it. Here I finish this video here, and I hope you have understood something, and if anything is not clear, then you may write in the comments below. Viewers, in this video I have told you the easiest way of writing an article and later spinning it. So may I request you to subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon, so all the videos I make in future, they quickly reach you. Thanks for watching, and see you in next video.